Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngitsere Ntshebe to analyze the game. Ntshebe omnani mfethu sikubone lapha Pirates launch the store in Midrand Mall of Africa, but you not wearing the regalia. Sazibuza ukuthi bowenzani shop mfethu. Sizikubheka kancane.
Sure Hotmane.
Yeah, sure.
Ngithanda ukubulisa kini bonke abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates. Ngiyayithanda into eniyenzayo. Ngiphinde sibonge i-Orlando Pirates yonke management, ama-player, into abayenzayo management is good for amanye ama-team amanimele afunde ku-Orlando Pirates. Kule nto yenzayo i-Orlando Pirates. Already seyiqalile sold out namhlanje igame yokuqala sold out sesiyabala. Last season yithi i-team ebe nama sold out yabhaya ukundlula wonke ama-team ku-PSL. Already sesiqalile sold out game yokuqala. Clean sheet sipho China ma win goalkeeper of the season kuzoba sekuneyinkulumo mara already babonile lathi kwenzakaleni siyema ma win defender of the season baneyinkulumo angazi bekumele iye kubani mara sikho la ngiyayithanda insenzwa ucoach Owadu ukuthi abelievele kule ntwana lezi encane from ku-DDC. Ngibona into ewani ngePirates I promote umuntu ukuthi izombeka ebhenjini ma promoter usuka sewuready ukuthi uzodlala. Why ngisho kanjalo ngibone banika lentwana leya kaMasilela ichance banike okay still sasho ukuthi naye uRadio Pan so under development ngoba last season akusumuntu othole igame time kaningi like akusumuntu odlalile still kusesomuntu othi fanele ukuthi like bamdevelop. Ngiyathanda into ayenza ukuthi abelievele kulabafana abe nesibindi abadlalisa labafana. Igame elandelayo ngathi singenza kangcono fanda khona lana labe besingabalance khona
Especially second half.
Special second half. Utito ngiyamncanya mara first half ngibone ngathi beyastruggle kakhulu. Uzamile ukuthi aphakamise second half mara ustruggle igame bemshiya first half uTito and uye uplayer uyi player ngasho ukuthi iPirates makumele idlale kumele uTito abe khona eground kumele uTito adlale iPirates iyadlala mara namhlanje first half igame bemshiya second half wazama ukubuya okay sharp uphumile ngeinjury which is kumele ucoach ayenze sure ukuthi next game M108 kumele abelievele kuyo lentwana uMasilela uTito mangekho fit or mangabuyanga kumele abelievele kuyo lentwana uMasilela ayinike game.
You think we have a player there?
kuMasilela yo gem yo quality awusazobona into elapha akhululeka ingakho ngisho ukuthi thina asipromote umuntu ongakabi ready for ukudlalela ifirst team must promote sesibona ukuthi lo muntu uready for ukuthi asinike lento siyifunayo suka si ready and uzobona intwana eziningi la uzobona zizothola i-call up ku squad and kuma nomination yazi makuphela isizini iPirates isazoyenza lento ejwayele ukuyenza bese kusazoba nezinkulumo ngoba la umuntu ayenza khona into enhle izinkulumo zizohlezi zikhona. iPirates yenza kahle bazohlezi bakhuluma iMaroba Stata beyenza kahle bebangakhulumi mara iPirates yenza kahle usho konke yabona iPirates uNkulunkulu uthandwa wonke umuntu abanye bahamzonda mara mawe ethandaza uthandaza uNkulunkulu. iPirates iuNkulunkulu ngoba yonke into oyenzayo uzohlezi uthi uAgust iPirates mara iPirates ubona ukuthi yenza kahle.
Last question, a quick one Ntshebe. I know you like to make a ball prediction and you say you saw it. I was telling you number 1, 2 and 3 end of the season. Just a quick one. 1, 2 and 3.
Question yakho uzongikhamisa ngabani bheke emuva okay asikho la. iPirates mayingaba consistency ibelievele kulama player enawo ngisho ukuthi izomthatha number 1 number 2 nginiki Chiefs this season.
Niki Chiefs number 2.
Yeah, Chiefs this season.
No. I was see the chairman. Ati Chiefs inikeza number 2. Unjebe end of the season.
End of the season. Ngiyayiniki Chiefs.
Number 3.
Number 3 Sundowns. Mara ngifuna ukusho lento lena iPirates izojika fair ku-CAF this season sida ifinal iyayithatha or iphuma ku-final.
Thanks ngapakaniya tasinjebe boba.